लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब ये इस चैनल के 3 स्तंभ हैं। इन्हें दबाइए और आगे की वीडियो को एंजॉय करें।
Namaste and welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about the taxonomy of machine learning. That is, what is machine learning, what is supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, and what is the basic difference between a regression problem and a classification problem. So let's start. Let us first look at some of the definitions of machine learning. The Google says that it is the study of computer algorithms which improves by the experience and the observation. Now, to understand it, let us see the mathematical explanation of machine learning. Suppose y is the response of interest, something I want to know about. x1, x2, x3 up to xn are the characteristics of the response. That means the characteristics describing y. Okay, and I can relate x with y with some unknown function and some random error. So machine learning is a game of estimating this f. If we are getting a good estimate of f, then we are doing good machine learning practice. So what our task as a machine learner is to get a y cap which is equal to f cap x, where f cap is the estimate of f. Okay, so in the whole process of machine learning, we only try to estimate this f. So this is the most basic definition of machine learning. Now machine learning is of three types, that is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, we have labeled data. That means we have x, that is the characteristics, and we have y, that is the response of the characteristics. We have both the data and we train a machine learning algorithm onto that. Then we have unsupervised learning, where we have only x, only the characteristics and no responses. Okay, now suppose that we have some images. Okay, let us talk about an example that we have some images of cats and dogs. So first of all, the step is feature extraction. From each images that is given in the format of some pixels, we extract some of the features, and after that we pass it through a machine learning algorithm. Okay, so in supervised learning, what will happen that we will create a model such that if a test image is passed, we can predict that it is a dog or a cat. That is a supervised learning algorithm. While in unsupervised learning algorithm, if we have a model, what this model will do, this will create some clusters, some groups in which all cats were arranged together and all dogs will get arranged together. So basically what an unsupervised learning algorithm is doing, it is keeping same feature together. Okay, so all these pictures in this cluster, in this group, would have some similarity. Again, the pictures in dog group would have some similarity, and both the groups would have some dissimilarities. So this is the purpose of unsupervised learning algorithm and supervised learning algorithm. After that we have reinforcement learning, that is learning of model. Okay, learning of model is done by interaction with environment. Okay, there is no data set we have previously. So the steps involved in reinforcement learning is it sends an environment. Suppose you are playing a game. Okay, you have an environment. So the machine takes some decisions onto some policies that are defined. Okay, and after taking some decisions, it get a reward. Either you are killed in the game or you have jumped up to next level. So you get some reward, and after getting that reward, the machine updates the policy. Okay, so it can go up to infinity. Okay, many times you play the game, it will get changed into the policies, and you will get new policies every time you play the game. So this is the whole the things that supervise, what is supervised learning, what is unsupervised learning, what is reinforcement learning. Now another important point that is remaining is the difference between regression problem and a classification problem. So for that, I am going to talk about y. Okay, y is our response, that is target variable. So it is of two types: quantitative and qualitative. So we can define two types of y, that is quantitative and qualitative. Now quantitative means, for example, weight, height. Okay, all these examples are of qualitative response, while the quantitative, just like customer rating at the rate Amazon. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. only some categories are only provided to you. So when we are talking about y, remember I am not talking about x, that x is a categorical variable or a numeric. I am not talking about x, I am talking about y. Y can be of two types, quantitative and qualitative. When you are talking about qualitative, it's a regression problem. Okay, and when you are talking about qualitative, you have some sets of classes. Okay, these are 5 classes. So when you have some of the classes, then you will get a classification problem. So this is the basic taxonomy of machine learning. Okay, what is machine learning, what is supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning, and what is the basic structural difference between a regression problem and a classification problem.